Susan loves her practice management software because it makes her day easier. Everything she needs is right at her fingertips, from scheduling to payment processing. Susan's practice management software can also help her improve patient outcomes and save her some time. Let's find out how. When your patient comes in and wants to use their CareCredit healthcare credit card again, Susan can quickly and easily process the transaction and save time by having it automatically posted to her ledger. How? With CareCredit integrated into Susan's practice management software. Plus, if your patient doesn't have their CareCredit credit card with them, Susan can quickly and easily look up their account number. When your patient has an out-of-pocket cost, Susan tells them about the promotional financing that may be available with the CareCredit credit card and shows them what their estimated monthly payment might be using the online payment calculator. When a patient wants to apply, it only takes a few simple clicks of her mouse to help them apply. How? Your patient's information is automatically transferred from the patient screen to the CareCredit application, and a credit decision is provided instantly. If you're like Susan and love your practice management software, want to save time, improve patient outcomes, and make your day just a little easier, you can turn on your CareCredit features too. Here's how. Simply activate CareCredit through your Blueprint OMS software and open the doors to an improvement in practice efficiency. To request a demo or for more information, visit www.blueprintsolutions.us or call 877-686-8410. Celebrating over 30 years of giving people a way to pay for care without delay.